Good morning, student. Today our topic is parallel line and transversal, and some exams related to this topic. So, first one exams, that is the 6.3. Dear student, there is no need to prove the exams. Actually, they are already proved by the geometrical. So, in your syllabus, only concept and its uses is here. So, see, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angle are equal. This is the axioms. See this with the figure. If M and N are the two parallel lines and one transversal L intersect then parallel line, then each pair of corresponding angle are equal. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the angle. So, if M parallel N, then which one is the corresponding angle? Corresponding angle are same side of the transversal, either above of the both line or below of the both line. So, corresponding angle 1 and fifth are equal. Then angle 1 equal to angle fifth. Angle 2 equal to angle 6. Angle 4 equal to angle 8 and angle 3 equal to angle 7. These all are the corresponding angle. Dear student, if this happen only when M parallel N, this is the condition. So, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angle are equal. So, this is the concept. One more exams just converge of this. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of corresponding angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. This is the just converse of this theorem. So, write the definition of this also. If a transversal intersect two lines, if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal. A pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Then two lines are parallel. This is the sign of parallel, parallel to each other. Dear student, in this question it is given that if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of corresponding angle is equal, means pair of corresponding angle is equal, then two lines are parallel to each other. And in previous exams, when parallel line is equal, then corresponding angle are equal. So both theorem are converse. So in this theorem, these are the two lines and one transversal intersect each other, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 2 equal to angle 6, angle 3 equal to angle 7, and angle 4 equal to angle 8, then M parallel to N. This is the M, this is the N, and it is the L transversal. After that, some theorem. So, see the theorem 6.2. Theorem is, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. This is the theorem. So here we are going to prove it. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angle, then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. Dear student, very first step is, firstly you have to write the theorem, and after that your next heading is the given. What is given in the theorem? So write here the given. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, what is given in the question? Two parallel lines, and AB and CD are the two parallel lines. Right? AB and CD are two parallel lines. And a transversal PQ intersect them, and a transversal versal PQ intersect intersect at intersect them. Okay, it is given. Now to prove that, क्या proof करना? Now third heading is the to prove. Then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. So let A, B, C, D, this is the P, Q, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the angle. Now, question is to prove that alternate interior angle are equal. So, alternate interior angle is angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3 equal to angle 5 and angle 4 equal to angle 6. Now proof. Since AB parallel CD, since AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, dear student, here as we know the corresponding angle are equal when two lines are parallel and then corresponding angle are equal. This is the first exam. So using the first exam in this theorem, we can prove that alternate interior are equal. So, dear student, angle 1 equal to angle 5. Since AB parallel CD, angle 1 equal to angle 5. Why? Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, it is equation 1. Okay? And 1 equal to 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Why? Vertical opposite angle. Opposite angle. It is equation 2nd. Now, with comparing equation 1st and 2nd, from 1st and 2nd, angle 3 equal to angle 5. Angle 3 equal to angle 5 proved. First one is done. Now see the second one. Dear student, 2 equal to 6. Angle 2 equal to angle 6. It is equation third. Why? Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. 2 equal to 6 and 2 equal to 4. Why? Vertical opposite angle. From 3 and 4. From equation 3 and 4. We get 4 equal to 6. Proved. In next exercise, in next video, I will discuss the next theorem, that is the 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. Actually in this exercise, 4th theorem is there. One already done. Remaining theorem I will discuss in next video. After that, you have to solve the exercise. Thank you.